Hello everyone, welcome back. Uh, in this video, we are going to solve another one, another SQL question, count salary categories. So you will have a account ID is the primary key. For this table, each row contain information about the monthly income for one bank account. So write a solution to calculate the number of bank account for each salary category. So you need to categorize that salary and count total total amount. So if the salary is less than 20,000, you will make it is into low salary one. So low salary, so many rows will be there, and average salary 20,000 to 50,000. Greater than 50,000, it should be high salary. So from this table, how I can solve that? So that's the question. So here, if I am not duped by anything, so how I can do that? So you can use an if else statement or case statement where you can make it as a low salary, average salary, and print. But that's not the one that I need, right? So I need the categories and the salaries. So from this one, if I am using case, I can get low salary or high salary for that particular row. But you need to group by income will not work on this scenario also. So the only thing that I can do is first we can use submit or select on as a subquery, then group by that also possible. So let me solve ourselves this problem. So without depending on some other resources, we can solve ourselves this problem, then it will be great. So we will try to do that, but still, so these things are working fine. If we had some problem, then we will show up and we'll try the other ways of doing this. So you got all the salaries, but I mean from this, so you have this one, and what I am going to do, select account ID. Okay, then I will use case here. So SQL case, how it will be SQL case. Okay, SQL case. So case. Okay, so case condition. Condition means income is strictly less than 20,000. Then result will be, I don't know whether we need to use the string here. Then result will be lower income, right? So we can go back to our question once again. Is that low salary, average salary, high salary? Okay, that's a category we need. Low salary, income less than 50,000. and income greater than 20,000. Income greater than 50,000. Average salary, and this one is high salary. So this will end from accounts. Okay, so run this one, just see whether it's working. So I got an error here. So let's see what is the issue here. So when income error code unknown column result. So else I don't need any else here. Okay. So in this case, okay, high salary, low salary, this one. So right now what we will do. So you got all this, then and we can make it as a go back to your question and you can see the category, right? So ask category. Okay, so I made a name here, so we can see ask category. So then what we can do here, so you have the select here, everything is fine. Right now from this one you need to group by. So select all from select category from, so you can use with here. Okay, so with the T, wrap it here. So here T as, okay, so select category from T group by what. Okay, since all the name is same, so if I run this, what's gonna get here? So you can see all the categories here. So let make sure this is the scenario. So I can see only two categories. So to make sure that's the exact scenario here, so let me take out that select statement, run it again. I have high salary, low salary, high salary. So only two categories. So we are fine. We got all the categories, and what exactly we need? We need the count star. So it will count all the, since it is a primary key. So high salary 3, low salary 1. So that's the case. No, we have low salary 1, average salary 0. Okay, so the thing is like we need the average salary also. So in that case this not gonna work, right? So since it is average salary, high salary, Hmm, how we can do that? So probably I need to have some select low salary. Yes, select low salary. Okay. Yeah, from the previous one we have the scenario, right? So from previous one, so this is interesting. So the thing is like you have this one. So the previous question also we had the same scenario, but since we uh, refer some other sources, we didn't even think about that, right? So here is the thing. So here in this case what we can do is, so here I will put as a C. So what we will do here, we will write a blank. Okay, we will write a blank select statement. There is no from table or something, just a blank select statement. So for the previous one, we need the IDs. So that's from our own table itself. But in this case, there is nothing. So you have low salary, average salary, high salary. Then on the here, you don't need to do this one. You can use the category from the other table, category from C, and also account ID. Oh, that's gonna be a problem. That's gonna be a problem here. So if I have the mm, oh, okay, so got it. So what exactly we need is, so in this T itself, so T itself you need to do the group by. Okay, so T, if I am putting like group by here, group by, so T, okay, T I am not taking any account ID. Okay, T count. Okay, T case. So I have okay. In this case, I have the low salary, average salary, high salary, uh, and then that's fine. At category. So what we need here is count one. So these things are interesting because I'm not grouped by or something. I group by the salary. So I group by the category. Category means based on the different salary range and group by, right? So that's possible. So here I can get all the categories and their count so uh, we have everything here. Every salary will be there, and every salary range will be there. So in this case this is fine because we have the category here, right? So and here this one should be as count or something. Okay, so so case. So what we did, we categorize all the salaries in one with statement, and we put all the hard coded with statement here, and we count all the accounts on the same category, same with statement. So these things are interesting and also understandable. Then here we are taking the category from this one, and we are taking the account count from this one. In if account count is null, I will put as a 0. So here 0 as account count itself. So you don't need to make any changes here. And then from C left join T using category. So these things are very interesting to solve if you are solving yourself. So because initially we did something, even though that's not at end up in solution, so we know how to reach the solution. So that's very interesting. So if you are missing some value that we can supply using with statement, so that's very interesting thing. And if you are doing lot of this kind of problem, probably not probably it will be very easy. So basically not for SQL, for all the other coding questions, this should be your approach. You need to solve yourself after a while, even if you are not reaching the solution, you probably get an exposure what is happening with your coding. So these things wrong answer. So why is wrong answer? So let's see what's gonna happen here. So high salary, low salary, average salary. So the order is the problem. So they need in order by account count, order by two desk not ask. Let me check whether this gonna solve. That case also it's getting wrong answer. So what exactly happened here? So high salary 310. So that should be the ask. That case also this one. So the answer should be 310. But order by two task not providing the correct answer. Let me check. So you got 310. Okay, yeah. Right now it's fine. Because accounts count. That's the thing. So you should have accounts count. Okay. But 341 milliseconds because we have our case statement here. So that's only issue here. Other than everything is fine. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. It's took some time, but it's very interesting.